सी आमचे AICCचे इंचार्ज हांणी एक हाय लेवल कमिटी केल्ली वेर इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आमचे CWCचे मेंबर्स सिनियर वायस प्रेसिडेंट अशे आमची कमिटी आशिल्ली. सो टुडे वी हॅड फर्स्ट मिटींग आनी हाव टू गो अबाउट ZP इलेक्शन्स, कॅन्डिडेट्स जे आयल्या, रेजर्वेशन्स, सो हाजेर आमी डिस्कशन केलें आनी वी हॅव केप्ट अनदर मिटींग टुमॉरो to decide on candidates selection आणि एकदा नोटिफिकेशन आयले की तांकां how to go about declaring and all, so that we have discussed in detail as
कितें कॅन्डिडेट्स शॉर्टलिस्ट केल्ले आतां पर्यंत?
हय, आमी एप्लिकेशनां जी मागयल्ली ती सगळी आमचे कडेन आयिल्ली आसा, पुराय 50 मतदारसंघाची. सो त्या बेसिसाचेर कशें शॉर्टलिस्ट करप, कोण कॅन्डिडेट खंय कितें तें ताचेर आमची चर्चा जाली.
काँग्रेसाचो एक सदांच एक विशय असो आसता की 1 म्हयनो जो आसा आनी 10 दीस उरले जाल्यार इलेक्शन तेन्ना ना जाता. हाऊ डू यू मेक इट शुअर एज अ प्रेसिडेंट सेइंग दॅट
म्हाका दिसता अजून इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जावं ना, नोटिफिकेशन फक्त आयलां आनी वी आर वेल प्रिपेर्ड. एज आय टोल्ड यू की आमचे कॅन्डिडेट्स जे आसा ते ऑलरेडी आयल्या. थोड्या जाग्याचेर we have shortlisted, so we will put it to the Pradesh Election Committee and then the final list of the candidates will be declared.
But once it is announced, well times there is.
Yeah, we will do it very quickly. As I told you, फाल्यां आनी एक आमी meeting दवरल्या to decide on shortlisting the candidates, and immediately that is done. Once the notification comes, we will declare the candidates.
Is Congress going alone or will have a
see, that was a topic of discussion today. That today people's sentiment is there that we all have to come together and fight against this BJP. So that discussion, some points were discussed. So we are meeting again tomorrow to discuss and decide on those points, that what is a party strategy, what we have to do. And I think tomorrow, once that part is cleared, we will clear it to you.
No, but when you speak options open for
see, talks are going on with our elected representative. Other political parties are putting their views. So we have taken their view, what is there, and I think what is in the best interest in state of Goa, that will do. But see, Congress has a presence in all the 40 constituencies. For SIR also, the booth level agents, booth committees, that also process is going on. But now ultimately, when it comes to when we look at a larger picture of 2025, when we have to defeat this corrupt BJP government, if we have to take steps, then with right proper channel, whatever is in the best interest of the state, that we will take the call. But today prima facie the discussion we have discussed about the seats, or what exactly is there in the mind of other political parties also. So to decide on that, we are meeting again tomorrow and we'll take a final call.
We had our meeting today with the committee and Goans want us to unite. I think the Congress party has also taken cognizance of it. Both our MLAs, we shared our views. Everyone wants us to unite. So definitely whatever has to be done in the interest of Goenkas first. Compromises, as I said, and I've been saying it, compromises have to be made. It is not an easy task. And definitely, I believe in couple of days max that we should decide on this particular episode rather than waiting for the last time. So the Congress party, today our committee members, we were all focusing constituency wise, and the need of the hour is that the alliance needs to happen. And I believe in by couple of days we will decide on this.